You've been there. The car makes a weird noise, your phone screen shatters, or an urgent bill lands in your inbox right when you thought you were finally getting ahead. And in that moment of panic, you reach for your phone, ready to find a solution. You know all about the modern financial tools designed to help, the GO2bank that handles your day-to-day spending, and the Brigit app that's famous for covering those unexpected gaps. But then a question hits you like a brick wall. Do they actually work together? Can you connect your GO2bank account to Brigit to get the cash advance you need? It's a simple question with an answer that's more nuanced than you might think, and it's one that could save you from a major financial headache. Today, we're diving deep into the compatibility of these two financial powerhouses. We'll look at not just if it's possible, but how it works, what the potential pitfalls are, and what you need to know before you even try to link them. So, let's get into it. First, let's talk about Brigit. At its core, Brigit is an overdraft prevention app. It's designed to be your financial superhero, swooping in with a cash advance of up to $250 to save you from expensive bank overdraft fees. But for Brigit to work its magic, it needs to be able to see your financial activity. It needs to read your spending habits, your income patterns, and your regular direct deposits. That's how it determines your eligibility and how much it can lend you. And that brings us to GO2bank. As a digital-first bank, GO2bank has been a game changer for countless people, providing a full-featured checking account and a whole suite of banking services from your phone. It's a modern banking solution, which means it's built to be compatible with other modern financial tools. So, does Brigit accept GO2bank? The short and simple answer is yes, for the most part. Brigit states that it works with over 6,000 banks and credit unions, and GO2bank is generally on that list. However, and this is the crucial part, compatibility isn't always a 100% guarantee. The connection process relies on third-party services like Plaid, which acts as a bridge between the two platforms. While these bridges are usually very stable, sometimes a new update or a minor system change can cause a temporary hiccup in the connection. If you're attempting to link your accounts and hit a snag, don't panic. It's often not a permanent issue. The key is to ensure that your GO2bank account meets all of Brigit's eligibility requirements. You need to have an active account with a positive balance, and most importantly, it needs to have consistent, recurring direct deposits from the same source, like your employer. Brigit needs to see that steady income flow to assess your risk. If you have those in place, your chances of a successful link are very high. It's also worth noting that GO2bank itself offers overdraft protection of up to $200 with eligible direct deposits and an opt-in. So, if you're a GO2bank user, you already have a built-in safety net that you can leverage. This is not to say one is better than the other, but it's a valuable piece of context to have in your back pocket. The bottom line? If you're a GO2bank user in need of a Brigit cash advance, it's absolutely a viable option. Just be prepared to follow all of Brigit's application requirements to the letter, and be patient if the initial connection takes a moment to sync up. Modern finance is all about connecting the right tools for your specific needs, and in this case, GO2bank and Brigit are a pair that can definitely work. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.